What is going on, everybody? How you guys doing? If you are new to my channel, my name is Paul. I used to go by the Phlipper. You should see like a sign right there of my logo. I'm a full-time reseller who lives in the Philadelphia area, hence the name. So the beginning of the month, in the beginning of July, I posted a video called How to End Summer Slowdown. You can find it right there. And pretty much it was just a challenge video to me and to all of my subscribers to list items daily in July, ideally 25 items a day. This was supposed to be and this was like a test for me and to other people to see if we list daily, to see if summer slowdown is still a thing or not. I promised in the video to do a follow-up in August to show you guys my sales and to see if that actually makes a difference. So in this one, I'm just going to share with you my sales on all the platforms in July. So let's go with the big one. The one I focused the most on was obviously eBay. eBay is my baby. eBay gives me the most money. So in eBay, in the month of July, I had $8,372 in sales, which is 372 sales, which is an average sale price of $22.50. Now, bear in mind that number is before eBay fees and before all that stuff. So I didn't actually pocket that much money, but that is how much money was sold. And interesting to see in the percentages, it is 60% more than last month. And then I don't know what I did last year, but it's 94% more than last year. So last year, I obviously wasn't full time. Last year, July, I was pretty busy with moving and all that. So I probably wasn't listing as much or selling as much, but 94% difference since last year. And 16% difference in a month is also pretty big. 372 sales is averages out to be about 12 sales a day, which I would say is not too shabby, especially for a month that is supposed to be pretty slow. Now, here's another little caveat here that I want to talk about, that this number probably would have been even bigger if I would have focused on promoted listings more. At about the 14th or 15th of this month, I started to promote my listings more than my regular 1%. I started using trending rates and started using various percentages and stuff because I got an email from eBay saying that the promoted listings are going to be used more frequently now on other platforms, on Google and other websites as well. So I started to promote more. And since I started to promote, I think my sales pretty much doubled on eBay. So I want to make a little caveat here that it's not just listing daily that helps to get sales. Promoting your items, promoting at a specific rate, promoting at trending rates, promoting more than 1% gets you way more sales as well. So that is, those are my eBay stats. My next biggest platform was Facebook Marketplace. On Facebook Marketplace in July, I had $1,259 in sales. It was 56 sales with another average sale price of $22.48. When looking at these stats, I thought it was pretty funny that the ASP for Facebook was $22.48 and for eBay was $22.5. Pretty much the same average sale price on both platforms. Again, this is before Facebook fees, but Facebook only charges 5% fees. So this number is pretty close to being accurate on what I took home from Facebook in the month of July. Not as great as eBay, nowhere close to how good eBay is with almost 8,400. But if I didn't cross-post Facebook, I would have lost out on $1,250 in sales. So another reason why I think my month was pretty good is because I focused on cross-posting as well. My next best platform after Facebook was Poshmark. On Poshmark, I had $887 in sales, which is 37 sales with an average sale price of $23.97. So if you had like a pie chart on where I focused most of my attention, I would probably say 60% of it was on eBay, 25% is on Facebook, and 10% maybe on Poshmark. And that's if 10% might be pushing it. The only thing that pretty much goes to Poshmark is listings that Hammock cross-post for me. I don't really do any work myself on Poshmark, so that's why you see the numbers that low, but still for the minimum work that I do, 887 sales in July is pretty good. And then we go to the bottom feeders of my attention and of my sales. Makari, I pretty much stopped cross-posting to Makari at all. I focus very minimum time on Makari right now, and as you see, the reason why is because I barely get any sales on it, but still I made $280 in sales on Makari. It's 9 sales, $31 average sale price. And then last is OfferUp, and this is one sale on OfferUp. It was a $100 dollhouse, and that dollhouse was posted on OfferUp about a year ago. The only thing I posted on OfferUp right now is just local stuff. I don't post anything for shipping at all, but I did get a pretty nice sale on it, so it kind of makes me think, and I'm thinking I may be seeing if I need to start adding OfferUp to my cross-posting things. So here's the total for all the platforms. Again, this is before fees, before taxes, before all that. I had $10,808, almost $11,000 in total sales for the month of July. This is not Osborne the Thrift numbers, obviously, but it's definitely pretty decent numbers, sustainable numbers. Definitely not summer slowdown numbers. So when people think of summer slowdown, they don't think of $11,000 in sales a month. This video is not like a bragging video to show you guys how much money I'm making. Now, this video is just proof from the last month that, hey, if you focus and you list daily, if you run promoted listings, if you follow the eBay algorithm, and if you cross-post. Look, I made like $2,500 extra by cross-posting to other platforms. $2,500 a month on a slow summer slowdown month. That's like 30 grand a year extra that you could be making if you cross-post to other platforms. So I can't emphasize cross-posting to other platforms as much as I can. But if you do all those things, if you list, if you cross-post, if you find items with fast sell-through rate, if you want to promote listings, if you do all those things, I don't think summer slowdown is a thing. And right here, the proof is in the pudding. Here's my numbers for the month of July. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I know it's different than my usual yard sale and sourcing videos, but I did promise to make this at the beginning of the month, so I had to fulfill the promise. But let me know in the comments, how were your sales in July? Would you guys have summer slowdown? Did you guys have decent sales? How was it in comparison to last year? How was it in comparison to last month? Especially those of you guys who attempted to do my challenge. Let me know if your sales reflected the effort and the work that you put in. Like always, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.